We found out that we could make it past the river of Hamburg in 3 days. We are excited for that because after that we don't have to go wild camping again, and that releases a lot of stress. It's just much more relaxing when you don't have to worry about finding a safe place to sleep. So you will see here if we make it. Of course we'll make it. The boats go every quarter, every half an hour, all day long. Alright, we needed to go over this bridge, but they're working on it. And they're gonna be open the day after tomorrow. Ben ik mijn helm vergeten? I forgot my helmet. Luckily it's just 1 kilometer, 1.5 back. But luckily it is still here. So yeah. So we made it. We are in a very beautiful place. Very nice people. It's very good weather and we're taking a resting day right now. I always do that.